Hello, everybody. Am I audible? Am I live right now? Because this is my first experience here, coming online like this, live for a broadcast. If there's anyone who's available online, do let me know. Okay, I think it is online right now. I welcome you all at this wonderful channel called India Pe Charcha today. Can you all? Okay. I think I'm live right now because I had a lot of doubts whether I was live or not. So let's just start this session. I thank you, Ashu, for letting me know that I'm online. I welcome you all to this wonderful channel called India Pe Charcha. They're doing some phenomenal work here, pre-lockdown and post-lockdown as well. So my name is Namita, and I've been working in a corporate for last 10, 12 years already. And I'm also an art of living teacher, and I teach programs that help in stress management and youth empowerment, and also help in realizing potential of people. So something which is really cool thing to do. Now, a lot of times, I think we've got a lot of questions related to work from home and how do we go about it, because lockdown is something which has brought in some amount of anxiety and fear among people. It's very natural also, not something which we would have thought that it's not something, rather it is not an easy thing, staying at home all the time. So what we can do is, right now, let me just tell you what practices I have adopted, and then I'll start taking questions from the comments, from whatever you're writing here. Then we'll go ahead in the end, definitely. So what I realize is today is day 6, and if I'm not wrong, most of you are working from home. While I understand working from home has a lot of benefits, one can sit in there casual, you have ample amount of time to play with your children, with your pets, listen to net music, watch Netflix and chill. But it has also some challenges too. Like you have this problem of getting stressed out. You focus too much on something, you get burned out because of it, or sometimes it is not easy to focus at all because there's so many distractions. So this stress keeps increasing and frustration keeps growing with this. But what to do with this sort of a feeling? A lot of people went it out with respect to humor. One such tweet which I read online was, I had a nice chat with a spider, he's a web designer. I mean, I find it very funny, but I understand that it's in humor. So what did I do differently? What I did differently was I stuck to the old routine. Now, this is a very confusing statement that okay, Namita is making, that she stuck to the old routine. What does it mean by sticking to the old routine? Sticking to the old routine means you wake up at the same time that you used to. You um, sleep at the same time. You wake up at the same time. You eat at the same time. You get ready. You wash your hair. Whatever you used to do before, that you're doing now, except for the fact that you are not going to the office, right? You're staying at home. So whatever your daily routine was, you are sticking to that old routine, except for commuting to the office and staying in the office, right? So right now, whatever your time you're doing, you your schedule is, you are staying at home. So what happens when you have a schedule like that? When you have a schedule like that, you will feel less anxious. Very easy, ना? पता है कि सुबह इतने बजे उठना है, शाम को इतने बजे सोना है. So you have something which is a structured manner that you will be following in your work, right? and it's even more easier to stick to that particular schedule because you've already done that before, right? Now, second point which I felt was, which I did was, I kept a proper workstation for myself. Like I distanced myself from all the distractions. I kept one particular place. This is my place for work. So there is nobody who's going to enter this place. This is going to be my workstation. I'll be away from my family. Obviously, I'm away from the family, but I'll be away from the kitchen, the music, everything, all the distraction. But I'll be staying here. I'll be working here, and when I'm working only here, right? So this is what I did. So this is the one major thing that helped me was, by doing this, which helped me was, the distraction went off. There was no chance that I went off again and again to the kitchen or the fridge or sat there to listen to any kind of music or Netflix. Nothing. I have to stop it means I have to stop it. Plus, I also ensured whenever I was getting connected to my family members, I never went back with some work in my mind. It was like whatever is there about the work, it is only on this workstation. Okay, I'm getting some hi and hellos and namastes from so many people. Hello, G. Hello, Suresh Anna. Okay, now coming back to what I was doing, getting ready. Right, getting ready means what does one mean by get ready? Get ready means how you used to, when you see how you used to go to the office. How do you get ready? Right, you wash yourself, you uh, do your hair properly, you wear proper clothes. Right? That is because when we're staying at home and in a 21-day lockdown period, we always think that 21 days, yeah, this is just it's like an every day is a Sunday for me. That's not, is that usually leads to something like a lazy attitude, and that laziness creeps into us. So in order to feel fresh, in order to feel light from within, it is very important that we get ready, um, and eat at the right time, sleep at the right time, as I told you. This getting ready and all will help us feel fresh. Now, the third point which I felt was, which I did was, I took the help of technology. We have plethora apps of video calling, which is like Zoom. We have Microsoft Teams. We have Skype. We have WhatsApp calling. There's so many methods wherein you can get connected to your loved ones. And I fixed up a time for all this. I fixed up a time to get connected with my family members, get connected with my colleagues also. It is very important that you keep in touch with your colleagues right now. Why do you need to keep in touch with your colleagues? Is because this is the time wherein you can vent out your problems also, whatever you're facing. Maybe some solution might come up from their end, or maybe those coffee breaks that you used to miss sometimes. It's also important to keep that friendship, that relationship alive. And there are certain, I'm pretty sure a lot of people have, you may be having your colleagues who are staying all alone at your place, I mean at their place. And it's very nice way of what do you say, giving them, showing a cool way of showing them that you care for people. It's an act of kindness. So this is something which I really feel that staying connected in with technology is a very good idea. uh, Another thing which I felt was, yeah, this is like on top of my list. I'm sorry, I should have told this before, but this one is like, you must, and it is the most important thing that you need to do, is take care of your well-being. It tops my list. Now, being well-being means not just physical, um, mental well-being as well. So what actually helps you from doing your physical well-being? You can do yoga, exercises, work from home. And there's this, how do I tell you, disturbed set of, if you have these lot of apps on Facebook, and even, I mean, pages on Facebook, and a lot of apps also, like Cult is there. There's this Sattva app. So all these either teach you yoga or even Art of Living app for that matter. So they teach you yoga and workout from, like, how can you work out from home. Home workout sessions are also shown in those particular apps. So this is very important, that physical and mental well-being is very important. I'm a huge advocate of meditations. So if you are in, if you know, this is a very good time to actually meditate, because it keeps you calm from within. It gives you a mental strength, and the more you are fit mentally and physically, it's very it becomes very easy for a person, how do I tell you, to contribute more. There's so many things that you can do, even at your workplace, and even at, matlab, towards your work and towards your home, right? The last thing I won't say, but yeah, this time blocking helped me with respect to then this skill building hobbies. Yeah, I started some online courses also. I did this course on economics, which I was actually looking out for a very long time, and it was available on Udemy. Right now, Udemy is having these sales of about 420 rupees per course, which is very good deal. Then there are courses which are offered by Coursera. I'm sure many corporates also give you that course. So skill building is something. So I'll just sum up of what things I did, and now I'll start asking you. I'm sorry, answering your questions. So what I said was, initially, I'm sure a lot of people have joined me now, which I can see because it started with 2 or 3 people. All I can tell you right now is initially I started with scheduling my work and keeping my old schedule intact, except for that commuting time and the feeling that I was in the office. Rest all the schedules were same. Waking up at one particular time, leaving at waking up at one particular time, eating the breakfast, eating the lunch, dinner, whatever. Eating time was right. My getting ready was, the time was scheduled. That scheduling was blocked. So these set routines will also, actually, the old routines that I used to follow, I stuck to that. So that helped me being structured in my work. I kept the second thing which I did was, I kept my workstation in a very secluded place, in a place wherein I could only work, and I was away from all the distractions like TV, kitchen, music, everything. So for me, that's routine. So for me, that was very important, that I sat there at particular station and I worked. So that place became my workstation. The third thing that I did was, I got ready. So by getting ready, I dressed up well. I for I don't pay work in how do I tell you? I don't stay in the pajamas or t-shirts for a very long time. For me, it was very important at that particular time that I stayed in my proper clothes, got ready the way I used to get ready for the office. But obviously, matlab, it was not the tie or suit or something, but yeah, in a way wherein I was presentable, which made me feel very fresh from within. And third thing is, I took care of my mental and physical well-being. So exercising regularly, doing meditations regularly, because now Gurudev from Art of Living is also taking meditation twice daily, and the links are found on all Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram also. And I stayed connected with, via technology, with my friends, with my family, with my co-workers, everybody. I asked them. So when I was getting connected with them, I used to ask them a time blocking thing. This was the time when I would call them up. This was the time that I would speak to them. This is what I had done. Now when I ask you these questions, okay, there are a lot of questions. Do you think we reduce our productivity due to work from home? I don't think we reduce our productivity via work from home, because this is not being my experience. I'm talking right now from my experience. I stuck to my old schedule of waking up at that particular time and sleeping. I never disturbed that schedule at all. I kept my schedule as it is. Only thing was, my travel commute to the office reduced. Basically, it was not there. So that time I got for myself. And so when I was sitting at home and I could I could come out of all the distractions, it helped me work in the same way like I used to work before. So it was not a reducing my productivity, but yeah, it did add to my own developments. Like I was able to complete that economics course which I had done. Then there is this report which suggests work from home improves productivity. Lethargy picks up due to non-discipline. So how about handling that? Yes, lethargy picks up because we think that every day is like a Sunday, which I've already told you. So it is very important that we do the small things which are very important, like stay away from distraction, stay away from all these. It's not, I understand in the initial days everybody feels nahi yaar aaj to Sunday hai, it's like a Sunday today, it's like a holiday today for me. So I personally felt that sticking to my old routine was like, it was just happening. In fact, there was a Saturday and Sunday which came in between, and I did work on my work. I mean, I forgot that it was a Saturday Sunday. I thought, Jane do, let me just. I got an email from my senior, and I just worked on it and I sent him back. So that also I never felt that it was like a lethargy, because there was some discipline in me. As I told you, if you have these if you take care of yourself, like exercises, yoga, meditation, all these help you build discipline also. This is a very good way of coming back to your discipline, because when your body feels light from within, you start becoming a little active. Work from home disturbs set routines, isn't it? Also affects social life. See, as I told you, work from home, if you have a set routine, if you stick to the old set routines, rather, this was my experience, it didn't affect my social life. I also had time blocking, as I've told you earlier. I had a time blocking for myself, that I worked on this particular time with the social, when it came to social life. During work from home, get up at the same time you would normally shower. Yeah, it gradually slips. Then work. Okay, you think this is also a very valid question, that in a gradual slip it might slip off, but you know that the time period is limited. It's like 21 days and you can work on it. You can stick to that time limit. Today is just day 6, tomorrow is day 7, so this is a very good time of crossing it on your calendar. Okay, I have completed so many days. Does working on specific time like office hours, tried that, failed there. In fact, spent more time with laptop and doing one third of work. See, it can happen that you might feel that whatever you're doing is failing, but if you're going to stick with your work, maybe one good thing which you can do is celebrate your small wins. Okay, I could complete this report, I could get up from your place, move around, or maybe treat yourself for something. Oh, I could complete one particular report, yay, this was taking my work, which was like 1 hour extra, but I could complete it now. So this is like a celebrate your wins. This is what you had decided and you would do. So if you have a list of work things to do, that today I'm going to email this to my person, I'm going to prepare this particular report, I'm going to research on this particular activity. So when you know there are these 3, 4, 5, 6 things on your list, and you know that you're going to work on it, so it becomes easier and more focused to have uh, to be doing that. My problem is overeating while working from home. Yes, that is an issue, but yeah, you can. It also comes with a little bit of restraint on you. So, how to maintain peace of mind while working at home and be productive? Maintaining peace of mind. Again, I told you that it is very easy. You have to uh, take care of your mental well-being. In fact, the best technique to do so is best technique to do that is doing meditations daily. And what best I can say is, because I'm an art of living teacher, I can tell you that there are meditations happening twice daily on all the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram pages, YouTube also. You can do that live. And there are other apps also. Art of Living has an app. Satwa app is also another app wherein you can use that, because when you're mentally calm from within, it is more easier to make your decisions. When you're calm from within, it is more easier to focus. When you're calm from within, it is more easier to work in an environment which you may think is tough, right? So meditation gives a lot of mental strength. This is what I feel. Do you think the productivity? Okay. So there's this another friend who had asked me this question. How has been your experience totally on working from home? Fine. I mean, did you enjoy? Yeah, I did enjoy working from home. It was a good experience for me. I was able to do a lot of things which I thought I wouldn't be able to do because I stuck to the routines. Yes. And one good thing was I lost the feeling for having that itch for the coffee, that I wanted to drink coffee. I wanted to drink coffee. That was just gone. So for me, yeah, I have lost the habit for the coffee. Do you find cooking therapeutic? Yes, I find cooking very therapeutic, but that's not what I work on. Any other questions? Okay, you. How best has been the work from home experience? Again, I'm telling you the same thing. How difficult it is to. I find it difficult to set routines. Yeah, and see, that is the reason when you that is the reason I told you, when you find it difficult to say, to stick to the to set routines, don't go for setting new routines. Stay to the ones which are like the ones which you had done for old routines, like whatever you did before, and don't carry the work back again. Like when you're, when this is the time when you get some time, some block of time when you can do your household work, because the maid is not coming, because you are supposed to wash the utensils and all. So this is this time blocking that you've done. So it doesn't mean that when you're washing your utensils you're thinking, oh my god, I had to send that email to this person. It is gone. Now you're out of that working space. As I told you, when you have your own workstation at that particular time, at that particular place, so you will not go around for the distractions. So this is the time, that this time is only yours. When it is you giving it to yourself to work on that particular time. Itna, if you keep going for a distraction key, so then whatever routines you have set before is going away. One very important thing is, as I told you, sticking to the old routines, keeping yourself in a workstation, workspace, where you are away from all the distraction. And when you're out of that workspace, you are actually out of your work. And when you're coming back to your workspace, you are only and only working there. So you have to you actually can do it. It may feel, anything feels difficult for the first 2 days. The third day when you do it, it becomes another cycle. So you complete one cycle of that negating mind, and then you come back on the fourth day. Yes, I can do it. With all the extra work, how can we keep our daily routine? Very difficult, but compensated by working till our office timings. Yes, it is very difficult to keep your daily routine, because there are a lot of people who have their parents living from them, who have their kids living with them. So it's like a family which is living in there, and you find it very difficult. So this is the right time when you have your duties distributed. So and so person will do the dishes, so and so person will make sure that the kid is engaged for this particular time. So it is a very good idea to have your time blocked. Problem with work from home, as I hear from many, is that often boss think it is 32 hours a day. Actually, it is not. You have to have boundaries set, and you have to tell the person very clearly that this is the boundary which is set, and I will be available from 9 to 5 only, or from this time to this time only, and this is going to be my lunch time, so I'll be available only for the lunch. I won't be available for my work at that particular time. So this is why you need to set boundaries. Very important. Setting boundaries inside, because this is what happened with me. One of my colleagues was just telling me that her person was sending her some emails before that. Another friend of me also told me the same thing, that a person had, her boss had sent her an email at a very at a time. So at a time that she wouldn't be able to respond. So when she told him that this is not going to work like this is how I am going to be I'll reply back to you on the time when how I was in office, how I had been doing, which is very easy. Now, how to motivate your colleagues who are working from home? Yes, it is very important that the colleagues are motivated. I was here right now speaking about my experience, but yeah, this is a very important aspect for many of the managers who have seen that they are not being, their colleagues are not easy to manage, who feel that they're not easy to manage. But then this is how, right now, the situation is that it is not going to last forever. So this can be told to them one thing, that the time is going to pass away soon. So whatever best we have right now, we need to do it from there. Second thing, you can tell them about the fact that sticking to the old routines and keeping the time block for each activity makes anyone, it's very easy to finish that particular activity. Just, and how much of work does how much of a work right now we have, it's not something that is not at all manageable. Tell them like that. You can do it. It's a work that can be managed easily. So when you tell such things to people, definitely they'll be, it's easier. And when you are, as I said before, when your mind is calm, you get more creative ideas of how to, help people find their potential, how to help people, how to motivate people. It's very easy then. Work from home, no reorganization from superior. Yes, that is why we are having such sessions right now, because there are a lot of people who have no such organizing easy tips. So it's a very good thing that India Pe Charcha is doing. And I really felt that this was a need of the hour, that I shared my learnings. So it is very easy. If you have someone, do share it with them, that getting ready, being ready, sticking to the old schedules, time blocking, building skills. These are the things that are actually very can help you. Any other question? Hmm. Okay, I got another question on the WhatsApp. I don't know why, but you guys should have put it here. What are the other sessions by India Pe Charcha? Yeah, a lot of other sessions have been planned by India Pe Charcha. Do watch the space on, follow them on Twitter. Follow Prasad Karwa and Ashutosh Muglikar on Twitter. Their handles are at underscore Muglikar and at Prasad Karwa. So you will get a lot of information from there. Okay, benefit is flexible in working hours. There are benefits for working. Benefit is flexible working hours. Yeah, benefit is flexible working hours. When you have a flexible working hour, it is easier to work. How does one stop very social friends who are now stuck at home and has constant need to send news updates and want to talk over video call? Yes, this is why I said you have to have a time blocking done. It is very important that you also stay connected with them, but you should have a time blocking for it. You cannot say that as soon as I wake up, I'm going to listen to the news. That's not something which is discipline. The discipline comes when you are actually starting to tell them, there's a set of things that I've just now told. I've told you about keeping boundaries. Like, since it is social distancing, why not social distancing in the mind level also? Keeping boundaries, keeping a time block that I will be. Yes, they think that they are the only ones calling, but attending three such calls and chats take half of your day. Exactly. So when you inform all your friends and family that you will be, if you're staying away from your family, and not when you're staying with the family. When you're staying away from the family, you can tell them, this is the time I will be speaking to you, or your friends also, for that particular thing matter, that I will be speaking to you for this particular time. This is my time block for interaction with everybody. So when you're doing this, uh, it's very important. And yeah, those, as Suresh Anna says, those friends are even on normal days. Yeah, they're there even on normal days. So you need to have a bit of a understanding with them that, dude, I am working from home. and you can say like that, you can definitely, if they're your good friends, if they're your wonderful friends, they will also understand, right? So tell them that this is the time that I'm blocking it only for the social interaction. Just enjoy the time with your family. Where will you get such time again? Exactly. In places like Mumbai, when the commute time is so high, uh, people take around 1.5 hours to reach their office, especially even in Bangalore for that matter, and other metro cities. So these people, it is very easy. This work from home is an opportunity that you're getting this set of time, 1.5 hours that you used to spend sitting in the bus or any commuting space. You are getting it now to, spend time with your family. You can even keep, I want one good thing which I, if you ask my example, what I do is I do video calls with my mother, and when I'm doing the video calls with her, I keep washing the dishes and I keep talking to her and during the same thing. How to ensure that the job is completed within the timelines by your colleagues? See, these are the level of managing, from the manager's perspective. You can, one good thing which my reporting manager did was he gave us a calendar for the entire month. He said these are the set of activities that we all need to complete. We understand it is working from home, we had not estimated this time to go around for such a longer time, but yeah, if you have a content plan already in and informed to your team members about it, it becomes very much easier for you also to stick to that calendar, and for all the team members also to stick to that. So the work is distributed already, the work has been already told to the people that this has to be done. So when you have this set of timelines for each work, it becomes easier. You have to tell them that this is what I wanted. This is your, definitely your relationship with them. What else are the questions? You find cute cooking therapeutic, the party cub most important. Yes, Jamin, you will definitely get the party when you come to Bombay. But right now, social distancing is very important. So stay safe, stay at home. It is very much important right now that you stay there. So can I just wrap up in a 5-10 minutes whatever I've told you just now, whatever I have been doing? I have stuck to the old routines, that is waking up at a particular time and following that set of routine. I have also done, I've kept my own workstation, which is like away from all the distraction, staying away from the kitchen, staying away from the fridge, music, and Netflix. No Netflixing when, I'm working. Then I get ready. So getting ready, what did I mention was getting ready, as in getting ready with not staying in the casuals for a very long time, not staying in the t-shirt or pajama for a very long time, but wearing acceptable clothes that you would go to the work with, put on proper, how do I tell you, the makeup or whatever. You get ready properly, do off your clothes and all that. The third thing is which I did was time blocking. Time blocking was very important, so I, because that set my boundaries with a lot of distractions. So time blocking, distractions like TV and even social media. So that is what I did, time blocking, and I stayed connected with my family and friends, because it was very important for me as a person, for my mental and mental well-being. And I do everyday yoga exercises, pranayam, and meditations also. So if you're interested in doing meditations, go to the Facebook page of Art of Living. You can find some meditation there. It happens every day, and even on YouTube. And there are other apps also that also give you a lot of other meditations. If you are trying to look for it, Sattva is one such app. Cult app also, I think, has meditations. One of my friends had told me. So these are the things that I did. And yeah, one more good thing is celebrating small wins, which was like a very important question someone had asked. If, I find it very hard to, the work that I'm doing, for which I used to do for within half an hour, I'm doing it only in, 1 hour or 1.5 hours. It is just continuing. So it is very important that you celebrate your small wins. When you're celebrating your small wins, as in when you know that this is the time, this much amount of work I have completed now. So it's like, yes, So you can treat yourself for something like that, or just pat your bag, go out, have a cup of coffee, and come back and then sit. So celebrating your small wins. Then skill building, yeah, that is very important. Skill building was is what I did. Did few courses. So you also have this opportunity, Coursera, Udemy, or why only such online courses? You can develop your skills with respect to music if you had wanted to learn guitar from a very long time, or write something. There are a lot of people who always wanted to be bloggers and who wanted to start their own YouTube channel. This is a very good opportunity. And stay connected. Yes, it is very important to stay connected with everybody. Eat well, sleep well, very important. Eat the right amount of food, take your sleep. Many times we neglect that कि ठीक है आज रात को ठीक से नींद नहीं हुई है तो it's fine with me. No, it shouldn't happen with you. You need to sleep for a set of time. 6 to 7 hours of sleep is very much necessary. That also helps in building your immunity, and this is the time when you need to be immune to a lot of stuff, right? So, and be very careful of what you're intaking with respect to your news, because as I told you, if you have a time block, it becomes very easy for you to keep the social distancing in your mind level also. So when you are having your if you're very mindful of what you're consuming with respect to your mind, it is very important. Like anything which is negative is not something good, especially when you're asked to stay in a lockdown period for 21 days. And how many days it is now, that also can be told. Every day you can say, oh, it is just day 6 now, it's only day 7 now, and like that we'll just sail through. So it's very important to know that this time is going to pass soon. We are all in this together, and it is actually easy to work from home. Just being disciplined and doing the right things. It was really nice having you all here, chatting with you all, seeing the questions. The questions were also very good. I'm thankful to you all, and I'm very grateful to India Pe Charcha for giving me this opportunity. All thanks to Ashutosh ji and Prasad. Thank you.